What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to prevent the emails from a certain person or a certain contact on Gmail to appear or to be stored or to go to the spam folder. So let's say a certain email address or a certain person, their emails go automatically to the spam folder and you want to prevent it. You know this person, for example, and you want their emails to appear in your primary inbox. So this is how you do it. Go here to this icon, the settings icon, click on it, then see all settings. And here in the settings here, click on the filters and blocked addresses tab, and then click on create a new filter. Now this will basically create a new filter for any email address. Let's say, for example, example at gmail.com. Okay, and you can even further tailor it to choose the to and the subject. If it has the words any words and it doesn't have it, it's greater than or less than a certain storage. And now click on create filter, and the option you want to check is never send it to spam. So this means that the email sent from this recipient or this contact, example at gmail.com in this case, will never be sent to the spam folder. So that's how easy it is to achieve this on Gmail.